Here's how you can make Goku and gacha online. Anyway, let's get it over with. Back hair. 1200 and 490. Hell yeah. And for the hair, real hair, I'm gonna real hair 820. Front hair 5. Scarf 101. Belt 100. Gloves 16. Sleeves 1100 and 627. Shirt 23. Pants 20. Shoes 67. I think that's basically it. Oh wait, no, not done. Not. Jacket 4800. Oh my god. Would they just stop? Alright, I can just tell you it. Jacket 4839. Alright, here's the color for hair. Skin color. Shirt color 2. Basically all of that. And oh yeah, no. I'm not gonna forget about eyes. So eyes 1. Pupils 999. I don't know why my friends are texting me, because that's kind of stupid, because they don't know I'm doing a YouTube. Anyway, forget it. Face AC1 2573. Nose, and you're finished now.